deal with diabetes, type 1.
Wow.
So, when Chris told me that Hero is here, I really want to meet also this guy. And parang hindi ko mapigilan pag hindi ako mag-share. I'm here because I want to inherit the how Hero made money. Because I already believe in the product. So I've been with the product for 5 years.
Wow.
Personally, wala naman, I don't feel anything. But I'm a sick person. By the way, please, kailan birthday mo?
April next month.
April ka? April rin ako eh.
April.
So my birthday is April 23.
27.
And I'll be 66 by April.
Wow.
Anyway, I'm here because there are new prospects here. Also, at least from me, then baka maniwala sila na ako, I really believe in the product. Sa totoo lang, when I use the product, I didn't have something that is bothering me. Though I'm a post bypass patient, I had bypass days before the 6. I had a 4 vessel bypass. Ibig sabihin, tatlong major, isang yung hindi major.
Isang minor.
Anyway, hypertensive. Hindi naman ako diabetic. But anyway, remember, I had the bypass without symptoms. Incidental lang. So I had a check-up. Lumabas na meron. But anyway, binanggit ko lang yan kasi minsan nahihiya ako eh. Pag nasa reklamo ako, may nagbubuhat na babae, tapos hindi ko tinutulungan, baka sabihin nila, ano itong tao na ito, hindi ba tumutulong? But I'm a sick person. I'm not healthy. So when I started using the patch, of course, I mean, alam mo na mga doctor skeptic.
Yes.
Right. You just tell them, use the patch, as what Hero told us.
Yes, the patch.
It's for doctors very hard to explain. I mean, among my, especially now, we have a meeting now. I just tell them, just try the patch. But anyway, this is what my best testimony actually is my wife. My wife had a problem with her left eye, just like Hero. Okay. I hope I will be like Hero.
Yes.
Anyway, this is what happened. My wife told me last September of 2024 that her left eye went blind. And that was before COVID. But actually, what she told me before COVID, that she was bothered. How come hindi niya ako nakita? And she cannot, the left eye was affected. So, of course, I'm also into other products, but I know the product cannot give us everything in terms of recovery, whatever. So, nutrition is important, immunity is important. This one is different. This is regeneration. Ang pinag-usapan dito yung stem cell natin. This is cheaper. Why? Because we are not getting an external source. We're just making use of our own. Totoo, pag tumatanda ka, kumukunti yung stem cell mo. That is also what question I ask this company. Kung kumukunti na yung stem ko, meron pa bang makinabang? Can the product still work? When I saw, I witnessed the mom of Grace at the time when we were still, that was way back 2020 because I became a member in 2020 of February. So I'm on my 5th year. Nakita ko na ngayon, President, nag-recover na. Anyway, back to my wife. I've spent almost $1 million on her eye. Wala. I mean, the usual standard of care. Though, of course, I didn't get the best, but I was really planning to, if only I have the money, I would submit her for stem cell on the retina. I did a lot of eye problems because I specialize in diabetes. I know the problems, the ins and outs of diabetes. So, when she told me, why did you tell me you had that problem even before COVID? But anyway, all of a sudden, I was desperate, so I started using the patch, hoping that the X39 can maybe regenerate whatever is damaged. All of a sudden, she told me, I'm now starting to see you.
Wow!
For how many days?
No, I lost it because that's my problem. I have a lot of cases already. Because even my bag now has a I have patches there.
Mhm.
Because anytime when I make rounds, I see patients in the emergency room, I right away patch them.
Mhm.
Why? If you're going to ask me my experience, I think I can see 30 to 50% faster improved recovery of my
Wow.
patients.
Wow.
The only thing is this is just hearsay because
Mhm.
story kwento lang to eh.
Yeah.
I'm not documenting my cases.
Mhm.
But pareho rin but I noticed the effect on me after 2 years. That's why I'm always asking Chris, hindi, pareho tayo. Hindi, I didn't feel, buti siya may naramdaman, ako wala.
Mhm.
But I think this is what happened. I think my was I was looking to a bottom like this one. There are this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I,
Atrium.
I was
Okay.
in front of my patient. I was reading the much finer than this. My patient told me, "Look, kaya mo palang basahin yan?"
Nagulat
Yeah, I was surprised because because before I was using my phone to magnify
Mm.
yung picture tapos yeah,
Zoom.
I was so surprised because how come I can already read this? me, that was my ano. But anyway, back to my wife again. She started to see me. Now she can see my face, though it's still blurred.
Mhm.
But the right eye has no problem. It's 20/20 vision.
Mhm.
Actually, she can still drive. By the way, my wife is a pediatrician.
Mhm.
My wife also is a doctor. So anyway, it made me more believe in the product.
Yes.
Okay, another thing that improved in me, I'm not this fluent to talk.
Mhm.
Now I'm extempore. I'm also surprised.
Mhm.
I think my mind is. Now I can remember my name.
The cognitive function,
Is this
a
Manila?
lot improved.
Is this Manila? Just joking. But anyway, that is what I see. I just can't. These are things. Of course, kalbo na rin ako eh.
Mhm.
But my barber told me, oh, I think your hair is starting to grow.
Oh.
Eh, pino yung buhok ko eh.
Mhm.
Pag nakapagtina, medyo na umiitim. Pero ngayon, medyo ano na naman. But I think my best testimonies or my best are my patients.
Yes.
Why? Because before COVID, after COVID, nung COVID pala, during COVID, hindi mo na sa, I didn't see the patients anymore because they were staying at home. So, nung back to clinic in 2022, I was surprised. My patients 3 years ago, they don't like to enter the room my clinic. Hey, what are you doing there? Why don't you enter my? I thought. Sabi nila, akala namin, kami na yung doktor. Kaya nakakatuwa eh. Kasi hindi naman nagbobola yung pasyente.
Yeah.
Tapos, I have one patient na lost to follow-up rin. Siguro mga 47 before COVID. Dala niya yung auntie niya. 70 plus years old. And they were talking outside eh. Si Domo kasi madalas na late sa clinic. Nag-iintay doon sa Hindi ko alam kung ano pinag-usapan doon sa labas ng clinic. So, nandun na sa pinakonsulta na yung auntie niya. Tapos biglang lang sabi yung auntie, akala ko matanda yung doktor mo. Sinabi ko na, my patient told her auntie that I'm already old. But when they came to my clinic, the patient, I thought he is old. He doesn't look old. I am not interested of getting young. That is just,
It's just a bonus.
Yes.
Yes.
That's a bonus. Alam mo, wag niyong isipin na magic to. This is not magic.
Yeah.
Kaya you have to be patient.
Yes.
Because even if you submit yourself to the best stem cell center in the world, you are even told to be patient for 3 months.
Yes.
And you are paying millions. That's why, since I cannot afford million, I hope if I will be like Hero, I can already afford. Anyway, I hope, no, that's why I just use the funds. Because if I can spend 100,000 a year rather than 5 million, that would be good.
Yes.
That's a lot of savings.
Yes.
But again, be patient with the patch.
Yes.
I got the results slowly and still I think improving. I don't know with Chris, I didn't believe in him because 1 month after he told me, oh, there were 2 wrinkles and there was only 1.
Oh.
I don't believe 1 month. But when I did a lecture live wave last February in Cebu
Yes.
at Radisson Hotel,
Mm.
I don't know where they get my pictures.
Evidence.
The picture, I had a picture when my daughter had a debut. By the way, my daughter is also a doctor or physician. And then, so I was surprised. Oh, I didn't get them, but I didn't get all those for the past 15 years.
Yeah.
That's good. And in this meeting, I'm already senior. Most of my colleagues are 10 years younger than me.
Mhm.
And these people, doctors, very hard to convince doctors.
Yeah.
Yes.
Very hard.
Very hard.
Sometimes I feel para akong trying hard to nagdidikit eh.
Yeah.
So babayaan ko lang. And I even pity my colleagues because if only they were on the path, they could have helped them in their health.
Yes.
No, again, this will not replace our conventional medicine. Remember,
Yes.
because most of in any kind of whatever supplement or like this or any product, people they will stop their medications.
Yes.
No, there's always a place for everything.
Yes.
And this is a big part because this deals with our stem cells. Again, we started our life with the stem cells from our parents.
Yes.
Galing ni Papa at ni Mama. Kaya tayo naging tao. And eventually, as we get older, we will be looking again for the stem. We started from the stem, we end up with the loss of stem. Wala tayong pera eh. So might as well utilize our own. Because there is one thing, I really don't understand this word. Ano yun? Resetting?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Reversal.
No, resetting of genes.
Mhm.
Have you heard about that?
Yeah.
I've been looking into it.
Genes are reset.
Siguro, mababata siguro.
Mhm.
And they will be more functional. I don't know, but I'm surprised why the old are improving.
Mhm.
Just like that other guy in the Cebu, the very popular Peter.
Peter
Peter
Yu.
Yu.
Peter Yu. Yeah.
Even Chris, ma'am, I saw that in picture na hirapan yung mama niya. Pupunta na doon from the kama ba, from the bed. Having a hard time going to the table to eat. Anyway, I will just cut this short because
Mhm.
anyway, there are more, but I hope I'm planning to retire.
Mhm.
No, I have a lot of patients though. And that's why diabetes is rampant.
Mhm. Yeah.
Who are diabetics here? See?
Baka present.
Yeah, those are just diagnosed. 30 to 40% of diabetics are undiagnosed.
Oh.
Di ba natin alam kung sino undiagnosed?
Mm.
That includes me.
Mhm.
So anyway, I hope I can just kaya nga, I really want to talk in front for people to know. No, it's not just money, it's life.
Yes.
It's not just increasing our lifespan, it's increasing the quality of life or health span.
Yes.
May pera nga ako, ugod rin, wala naman. No? Especially, I travel a lot also abroad. That's why, I see my colleagues or sometimes you're a burden to the other group that you're hintayin mo sila. Anyway, again, thank you, Hero, for this opportunity to be here. And of course, for everybody.